Jupiter, just saying the name, evokes a sense of wonder and curiosity. It's the largest planet in our solar system, a true giant among giants, dwarfing all the other planets. If Earth were a nickel, Jupiter would be the size of a basketball. This comparison really puts its immense size into perspective. It's a gas giant, meaning it doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. Instead, it's composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. Imagine a world made entirely of swirling clouds and storms. That's Jupiter. Its atmosphere is a dynamic and turbulent place. From Earth, Jupiter appears as a bright star in our night sky, often outshining many of the actual stars. But up close, it's a dazzling spectacle of colors, with its atmosphere displaying a rich palette. Bands of white, orange, brown, and red swirl around the planet, creating a mesmerizing pattern. These colors are caused by different types of clouds in Jupiter's atmosphere, each contributing to its unique appearance. The way these clouds move and interact creates a mesmerizing display, constantly changing and evolving, never the same from one moment to the next. Jupiter is a reminder of the vastness and diversity of our universe, a testament to the wonders that lie beyond our own world. It's a world utterly unlike our own, yet it holds clues to the formation of our solar system, offering insights into the processes that shape the planets. And that's just the beginning of the story. Jupiter's many moons, its powerful magnetic field, and its iconic Great Red Spot are all part of what makes this planet so fascinating.
Jupiter's atmosphere is a wild place. It's incredibly thick, much thicker than Earth's. In fact, it's the largest planetary atmosphere in our solar system. The atmosphere is mostly made up of hydrogen and helium, just like the Sun. But it's not just the size that's impressive, it's the storms. Jupiter's atmosphere is constantly churning with massive storms, some bigger than Earth itself. These storms are like giant hurricanes, with winds whipping around at hundreds of miles per hour. They can last for years, even centuries. Imagine a storm so big it could swallow our entire planet. That's the kind of weather you get on Jupiter.
Perhaps the most famous feature of Jupiter is the Great Red Spot. This colossal storm has captured the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts alike for centuries. This massive storm has been raging for at least 400 years. Imagine a storm on Earth lasting that long. It's almost unfathomable. It's so big that you could fit 2 Earths inside it. The sheer scale of this storm is mind-boggling, dwarfing anything we experience on our home planet. The Great Red Spot is like a giant hurricane. But unlike hurricanes on Earth, which form over water, this storm is in Jupiter's atmosphere. It's a swirling vortex of gas and clouds, driven by the planet's rapid rotation and complex atmospheric dynamics. The Great Red Spot is a swirling mass of red clouds. These clouds are constantly churning and changing, creating a mesmerizing and ever-evolving spectacle. Scientists aren't entirely sure why it's red, but they think it might be caused by chemicals in the clouds. Compounds like phosphorus or sulfur could be responsible for the distinctive hue. The storm spins counterclockwise, and its winds reach speeds of over 400 miles per hour. These winds are far more powerful than anything we experience on Earth. To put that in perspective, the strongest hurricanes on Earth have winds of about 200 miles per hour. Jupiter's Great Red Spot doubles that, showcasing the extreme conditions on the gas giant. The Great Red Spot is a testament to the immense power of Jupiter's atmosphere. It's a dynamic and turbulent environment, constantly in motion and full of energy. It's a storm unlike anything else in our solar system. The Great Red Spot continues to intrigue and inspire, reminding us of the incredible and diverse phenomena that exist beyond our own world. Here's something amazing to consider. Jupiter doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. As you descend through Jupiter's atmosphere, the pressure and temperature increase dramatically. The gas becomes denser and denser. Eventually, the gas becomes so dense that it acts more like a liquid. Imagine trying to swim through a sea of metallic hydrogen. That's what it would be like to dive deep into Jupiter. It's a truly alien environment, unlike anything we experience on Earth. Scientists believe that deep down, the pressure is so intense that it might squeeze the hydrogen into a metallic state. This metallic hydrogen could be responsible for Jupiter's powerful magnetic field. Section 5. The mysterious heart of Jupiter. At the very center of Jupiter, scientists believe there's a core, hidden beneath its thick, swirling clouds and turbulent atmosphere. But it's not a solid core like Earth's. Instead, it's thought to be a dense mixture of elements, crushed together by unimaginable pressure, creating a unique and mysterious environment. Imagine squeezing a rock so tightly that its atoms are jammed together. That's what happens in Jupiter's core. The pressure is so intense that it transforms the materials into something entirely different. Scientists aren't exactly sure what the core is made of. The data we have is limited, and much of it is based on indirect measurements and simulations. They think it might be a mix of heavy elements like iron and rock, similar to the material that formed the planets. These elements could be remnants from the early solar system, providing clues about how Jupiter and other planets formed. But it's also possible that the core contains exotic forms of matter that we don't fully understand. These could include metallic hydrogen or other states of matter that only exist under extreme conditions. The core of Jupiter is a place of extreme pressure and temperature. Temperatures can reach tens of thousands of degrees, and the pressure is millions of times greater than Earth's surface. It's a mystery that scientists are eager to unravel. With each new mission and technological advancement, we get closer to understanding the enigmatic heart of Jupiter, a giant planet that continues to fascinate and challenge our understanding of the universe.
Section 6. Jupiter's powerful pull. Jupiter has incredibly strong gravity. In fact, it has the strongest gravity of any planet in our solar system. Gravity is what keeps us grounded on Earth. It's the force that pulls everything towards the center of the planet. Jupiter's gravity is so strong because it's so massive. It's like a giant magnet in space, pulling on anything that gets too close. This gravitational pull has a profound effect on the objects around it. It can alter the paths of comets and asteroids, sending them hurtling through space or even pulling them into Jupiter's atmosphere. Jupiter's gravity is a force to be reckoned with.
Section 7. Moons in motion. The dance of gravity. Jupiter has a whopping 79 known moons. These moons come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny potato-shaped rocks to giant worlds larger than our own moon. Jupiter's gravity keeps all of these moons in orbit. The moons are constantly tugged and pulled by Jupiter's gravity. This gravitational dance creates some fascinating effects. For example, some of Jupiter's moons are tidally locked, meaning they always show the same face to Jupiter, just like our moon always shows the same face to Earth. Jupiter's moons are a miniature solar system all their own, each with its own unique story to tell.
Jupiter's powerful gravity doesn't just affect its moons, it also plays a crucial role in protecting Earth from comets and asteroids. Think of Jupiter as our cosmic bodyguard. Its immense gravity acts like a giant shield, deflecting potentially dangerous objects away from the inner solar system. Without Jupiter, Earth would be bombarded by asteroids and comets much more frequently. Some scientists believe that Jupiter's gravity helped to clear out the early solar system, making it possible for planets like Earth to form and evolve. So the next time you see Jupiter shining brightly in the night sky, remember to thank it for being our cosmic protector.
Scientists have been studying Jupiter for centuries, using telescopes on Earth and spacecraft sent to explore the giant planet up close. One of the most famous missions was the Galileo spacecraft, which orbited Jupiter from 1995 to 2003. Galileo sent back incredible images and data that revolutionized our understanding of Jupiter. Today, the Juno spacecraft is in orbit around Jupiter, studying its atmosphere, magnetic field, and internal structure in unprecedented detail. Juno is helping us to unlock the secrets of Jupiter's formation and evolution, and there's still so much more to learn.
Jupiter is a source of endless fascination for scientists and space enthusiasts alike. It's a world of swirling storms, unimaginable pressure, and hidden depths. Studying Jupiter helps us to understand the formation and evolution of our solar system and the universe beyond. But Jupiter is more than just a scientific curiosity. It's a reminder of the vastness and beauty of the cosmos. It's a symbol of the power of nature and the endless possibilities that exist in the universe.
As we continue to explore Jupiter, we're sure to make new and exciting discoveries. The Juno mission is still ongoing, and future missions are already being planned. Jupiter holds many secrets, and with each mission, we get closer to unlocking them. One of the most tantalizing possibilities is the existence of life on one of Jupiter's moons. Europa, in particular, is thought to have a vast ocean of liquid water beneath its icy surface. Could life exist in this hidden ocean? It's a question that scientists are eager to answer. Jupiter is a constant source of discovery, and it's sure to captivate us for generations to come.